Welcome to the webinar. Over the next few minutes, we will take you through how to add new modules to your IPA Books Plus book. The content of this video is of a general nature and is for guidance only. IPA Books Plus does not provide professional or taxation advice. Viewers should consult with their professional body for advice on their specific circumstances. IPA Books Plus has 7 modules. We start with the basics or core as it is known. So this is where you can manage cash flow, do your receipts, do your payments, GST, budgets, and produce over 20 types of reports. Next to that, we have the invoicing and billing module. So this module allows you to customize invoices with payment options, track bills, create estimates, document storage, recurring invoices, and we also have an add-on with Receipt Bank as well too. Next to that is the connect to your bank. So this is getting bank transaction feeds coming in automatically into your IPA Books Plus book. So you don't have to manually upload QIF files and CSV files and that sort of thing. The payroll module allows you to pay unlimited number of employees, calculate their super, do single touch payroll, a leave, calculations, allowances, termination, TFN declarations, that sort of thing within there. It is also available as a standalone module too. Next on that is the projects module. So it allows you to categorize your transactions into different projects so you can track the profitability of the job. So things like if you're a builder and you've got multiple jobs going on, you can allocate income and expenses to those to see if you're making money on each of those jobs. Next module along is the track time module. So it allows an employee to create timesheets, which then can be used to generate pay runs and also be on bill to clients. Now they can also just be on bill to clients and not for pay runs, so we have that flexibility in there. The final module is the manage employee expenses module. So the managing employee expenses module tracks employee expenses, attach receipts to the claims as well too, and bill these expenses to clients and projects as well too. So it's having that expense claim system for IPA Books Plus books. Now let's go and take a look at how we adjust the modules in IPA Books Plus. Now I've already logged into the IPA Books Plus portal. You can see I've got all my books here, and the one I'm focusing on today is GBM Engineering. So they just had the core module turned on at the moment. So we want to add some additional modules onto this one. So we click on the 3 dots and we go to settings. Here we've got a number of things we can do. So changing the book name, deactivating the subscription, transferring the ownership, so the person who pays for it. But what we're looking at is the customizing your Books Plus modules. So we click on that and it gives us the list of those 7 modules that we just had a discussion around. So you can see we've got the basics core turned on and the pricing and the different levels of available and their pricing. And we've got this what's included that allows you to click on that to see what's actually included in that. So if we look at the invoices and bills one, let's click what's included. So we can see the difference between light and medium is adding things like sales approval, document storage, recurring invoices, service dates are on there. So we can choose which one we want. Let's tick the medium level there. So the bank, we'll choose that one. Things like the payroll, TFN declarations, timesheets to create pay runs are things that come with the medium level there. So let's choose the medium level. Same with time and expenses, just having a look at the difference in there. Because we've got want to do those pay runs from timesheets, we're going to tick the medium level. Same with the employee expenses. So we've got approvals, receipts to expense claims. So we do want the medium level with there. And finally, projects. So we've just got the ability in there, project rates, just that the differentiation there. So if I was to choose all of them at their highest level, I can choose that. And of course you can mix around. You can have, say, this at light. Of course, we're going to miss some functionality within there. So I'm just going to leave it all at the highest level. And I'm going to click on Buy Now. So buy now then shows me the my selected package, and when I click on the send now, I'm going to pay for those additional modules that I haven't got. And then it's just going to fall into that billing cycle based on the original one there. So you will pay for the additional one. Books Plus is a month by month. So just be aware of that one there. So just click on the send secure payment. It shoots that payment off and successfully updated my subscription. So you can now see GBM Engineering is now updated with those additional modules. Now on the other side of the coin, if you want to modify those, take modules off, that sort of thing, we can do that in reverse. So we've got the 3 dots again. Click on those, go down to settings, look for the customizing the modules, and we turn off the things that we don't need, or we can downscale as well too. So I might just want to have those ones in there, and I only want the light of that sort of thing. So I can then buy now. That then shows me the updated package now. Because I'm downgrading, it's just going to give me those features, all the other modules until the end of the billing cycle, and next month it's going to charge me that lower amount. Any data you've entered into those other modules will be retained in the system. It's not going anywhere, but of course you can't access it. If you'll reactivate, say, the projects module, you'll then see that data again and can work with that. So sending secure payment is just confirming the subscription for the next month in there. So that's all I need to do with adding modules and customizing the modules in Books Plus. Let's jump back over and have a look at this, the finalization of this presentation. Okay, so now that we've looked at those customizing the modules, if you need some further help, where do you go? So help.ipabooksplus.com is a great resource with a lot of help articles within there. So it's a very simple search for topics, keywords sort of thing. I've already put in there the modules, so it's come up with a couple of different articles in there that you can click on, and you can go through and get further assistance with any of those as well too. So it's that self-help, giving you the some nice sort of screenshots and everything, and step-by-step of what you need to do. If you do need some other assistance around that, you're always welcome to get in touch with us at member-inquiries@ipa-booksplus.com, and we will get back to you in there, and so the team will have a look at that. So any support queries and get stuck with anything, get in touch with us there. That's all I have for you today, so thank you for attending the webinar. We look forward to seeing you again at some future webinars, and just remember, do get in touch if you do get stuck. Thank you very much, and I will now say goodbye to everybody. Thank you.